So this will be a series of videos regarding the table of specifications for the interior design licensure examination. So as with the previous videos, we've already established it is the duty of the Board of Interior Design to prepare, adopt, and issue the table of specifications or TOS and syllabi for the examination. And we already know that the subjects are interior design, furniture design and construction, materials of design and decoration, history of arts and interior design, interior construction and utilities, color theory, and professional practice. So for this video, we will be discussing the TOS for professional practice and ethics. So let's dive right in. So the TOS for professional practice and ethics will have three objectives that will be, or coverage rather, that will be the current statutory laws, building code, and regulations regarding or related to interior design, which will comprise 40% of the exam, interior design contracts, business procedures, and business management, professional fees, that will be 30%, interior design related standards, responsibilities, and code of ethics, and there will be another 30%. And we know that the examination will have a total of 100 points. Also, the exam should be based on the revised Bloom's taxonomy. So that means that um, the level it will have different cognitive levels, meaning for the easy mode, that will be about remembering and understanding the lessons. For the moderate mode, that will be applying the lessons that you have learned. And for the difficult mode, analyzing, evaluating, and grading. So as with most of the lecture-based exams for professional practice and ethics, there will be no creating because in the exam you will not be creating um, or designing something, so it will be more of the application uh, of the previous lesson. So under current statutory laws, building code, and regulations, you are required to understand laws, codes, regulations, and its terminologies. To standard design practice, that'll be about 25% of the exam. Identify illustrations, figures, and symbols based on National Building Code and Accessibility Law. That'll be 10%. Um, so when you say accessibility law, that's BP 344, and of course National Building Code, that is PD 1096, and apply statutory laws to situational issues and case studies relevant to interior design practice. That'll be 5%. And the distribution for the different cognitive levels are also in this chart. For interior design contracts, business procedures, you are required to identify procedures in setting up an interior design firm, which is 10%. Understanding the phases of the interior design services and contract details, so that'll be another 10%. And apply appropriate fees, terms, and charges for specific interior design services. That'll be another 10% of the exam. And then for number three, coverage, 3.1 is to deduce how the code of ethics and the responsibilities of the profession affect the practice of interior design. That would be 50%. And to determine the appropriate ethical behavior. So this is more of the ethics, and another 15%. Again, for a total of 100%. Okay, so that will be for the professional practice and ethics. I'll see you on the next video regarding the other subjects of the interior design licensure examination. Goodbye.